Hey guys, so today I am going to show you how you can speed up your execution time. Now, firstly, let us see like what will happen if we do not include this bits stdc++. So many people say that it actually increases the compilation time. So I will tell you how to reduce it. Firstly, I will not include this. I will tell you what is the execution time without it. So I am just using a pair of int and int, and let us say it is p34. Okay, so what I am going to do is I am going to output. This is just a very basic program. I'm not doing any kind of competitive. Okay, so this is it, right? So actually our output should be 3, and then in the next line we should get 4. So as you can see that it finished in 613 milliseconds, and here we have got our output 3, and right. If I again run this, I again build this, like you can see the execution time sometimes get low, sometimes it gets high. Okay, like here you can that it is here. Okay, but if I include my bits stdc plus uh, bit bits stdc plus, and I am going to comment this one. So this is actually the standard C++ library. All the header files are included in this library: algorithm, pair, vector, utility, uh, algorithms, and tree. No, not tree. Actually, the cstdlib, the math, and all those header files, they are actually included in the one line. But what it does is, whenever we are compiling our program, even when like here you can see algorithm is not needed, but then also it will compile the algorithm header file, the vector header file, the math header file, and many other things which we do not actually require. Like here you can see that I just did it from iostream. Using iostream I only did it, but it also includes all those things. Like let us see the execution time. So I will build this. Now you can see that it finished in 2 seconds. Okay, now I will again build this. So you can see that I am actually getting my maximum time is 2 seconds and the minimum I 1.9 seconds. So this is actually very bad. In competitions we do not have to do this. Okay, do not have this much time to leave. So what to do? Okay, let us see. So firstly go to your G++ compiler folder location. I've actually installed MS64. This is actually very good in comparison to other MinGW program. Why? I will tell you. Like here, now I will tell you why I am saying this that MSys is better. Just check in your machine what is the version of GCC you are having. Many will say that they will have 6.3.0. So it is actually very old version, and 12.1.0 is the latest version. Secondly, what I also want to tell you is that in the MinGW, the MinGW you are using, you cannot include the the tree header file, tree policy HPP. So I will tell you this one. These files, they are actually not there in our MinGW. So it's a very bad thing that you are using very old. You are using a old school MinGW program. So whatever, I am just using MSys. Like now, here you can see I will go to MinGW64. Then I will go to x86. This, not this. I will actually go to the my include path. Then I will go to C++. Then to the version, and then to here. This one. You see, this one I will go, and then here to bits. Here you can see I have this one. This is the standard C++ header file. So this is what actually gets compiled whenever we run our program. This will actually get compiled whenever we will run our program. So how to speed up the execution time? Just go to the address bar and type here CMP. Then type G++ and the name of this header file. This is standard C++.h or stdc++.h space hyphen then the std. Std actually means the standard which we are taking. So you can actually take C++17, C++14 or any other thing. Just make sure you are using a good version which can actually support. your competitions also. Like I will tell you where do I do those things. So as you can see that uh, in my sublime text, I actually have very good one, C++. So I actually use the C++ 17. Why do I use it? Because C++ 17 will contain uh, all the latest packages, and I do not have to worry about all of them. The standard C++ 17 I am using. Okay, and just remember one thing: whatever the build you are using, just use that here also. Okay, so as you can see that you should also download the MSys. Do not download the MinGW. I will put the link in description. So stdc++ 17. The since my C++ is 17, then I will press enter. You can see that it will take some time to compile. Now, as you can see that now here we have one. You can see this .gch. It was not previously there here. So what it does is it actually is now a pre-compiled header file. We do not have to compile again and again. Like now here you can see it was finished in 2 seconds. Now you can see. Now you see it is just finished in 510 milliseconds and without any error. So yeah, this is a very much speedy way to do this. Thank you.